Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best solar disc lights in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Biling Solar Lights Outdoor, Solar Disc Lights. Biling is a well-known and quite a popular brand of solar-powered lighting fixtures since it offers a wide range of lighting options which can be a great option for using at your home thanks to its features and light pack size. The Biling Solar Disc Light Pack comes at the first position of this list since this can be a great option for all those who just want to try out such solar lights. This is due to the reason that these solar disc lights come as a pack of 4 lights which are great for getting started. Even though you only get 4 lights in the box, the brightness output of these lights is still quite decent thanks to its 8 LED design. Despite offering a total of 8 LED bulbs inside each solar disc light, the battery life of these solar disc lights is quite decent at up to 10 hours long. Even though these solar disc lights are fairly affordable, they are quite reliable thanks to its IP65 water resistance rating. Pros: quite bright and powerful for the given light pack size. Pretty long battery life rating for all night long usage. Cons: not the best option for large-scale applications where multiple lights are needed. Number 2. Our second best pick is ZGWJ Solar Ground Lights 8 LED Disc Lights. In comparison to most other brands of solar-powered lighting options, ZGWJ and its solar offerings are quite great for those who are looking for value for money options since you get quite a lot for the given price tag. ZGWJ's Solar Disc Light Pack comes at the second position of this listicle as it is one of the best options out there if you want to get the most out of what you pay for this set of solar lights. Even with the given price tag, these solar disc lights come in a pack of 8 lights which is quite great. Not only that, but since each solar light offers a total of 8 LED bulbs inside, this pack of solar disc light is able to offer an amazing brightness output at night. Unlike what you would expect from such a bright pack of solar disc lights, these lights are able to offer a battery life output of up to 8 hours thanks to its 600 mAh batteries on the inside. Since these solar disc lights are made out of high-quality ABS plastic, they are able to offer a water resistance rating of IP65 for proper protection. Number 3. Our third best pick is DUUDO Solar Lights Outdoor. DUUDO and its solar-powered products like the solar disc lights given here are the perfect option for all those who want something made for heavy-duty usage and large-scale applications. This DUUDO Solar Disc Light Pack comes at the third position of this article because this is the perfect option if you want to install a large number of solar disc lights all around your home. To make the same possible, DUUDO offers a total of 12 solar disc lights included in the box. But the best part about these solar disc lights is that all of them offer a total of 10 LED bulbs each, which results in superb brightness output. Because this is a premium set of solar disc lights, it uses a large-sized battery inside which results in a pretty great battery life of up to 10 hours. Pros: superb option for large-scale applications with excellent brightness output. High-grade build quality for proper strength and longevity. Fairly long battery life thanks to large-sized batteries on the inside. Cons: a bit on the expensive side for buyers who are on a tight budget. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is solar-powered ground lights. ZGWJ is a fairly new and quite a small brand of solar lighting fixtures because of which it offers unique features, which is also true for its solar disc lights given here in this listicle. The ZGWJ Solar Disc Light Pack is one of the best looking options out there, making it a highly functional as well as decorative option. Starting with the functional part, these solar disc lights come as a pack of 8 lights which is quite decent for most. As for the decorative part, unlike most other solar disc lights out there, these ZGWJ ones offer 8 LED bulbs that have a warm color temperature instead of a cool one. One of the best things about these solar disc lights is that you get a battery life of up to 13 hours, which is much longer than others. Another benefit of going with these solar disc lights over other options is that these ones have an IP68 water resistance, which offers better protection than just an IP65 rating. Pros: excellent battery life for lasting multiple nights on a single charge. Great-looking warm temperature LED bulbs for decorative usage. Superb protection against water damage with a high-end water resistance rating. Cons: lacks any form of included warranty period for reliability. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is 12-pack solar ground lights, LED disc lights. Reviewic is another high-end brand of solar disc lights out there, which can be an ideal option for all those who want to get multiple lights to be installed in various locations around any property like a house or office. This Reviewic solar disc light pack is one of the best options out there if you wish to get a large number of solar disc lights. To be exact, you will find a total of 12 solar disc lights included in the box, which allows you to easily cover a large area. Although, unlike other large packs of solar disc lights, this one only uses 8 LED bulbs in each solar disc light, resulting in an average brightness output. That being said, the lower count of LED bulbs used by these solar disc lights does result in a pretty long battery life of up to 10 hours. You will also find a pretty great ABS construction with these solar disc lights, which not only results in an IP65 water resistance rating, but these solar lights can also withstand a maximum weight of up to 100 kilograms. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.